Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my short little tutorial on how to align the repeater inside Adobe After Effects.
Alright, let's just jump
Straight into it. Rightio, new comp. I'll just name that.
Did I put an A in there? So,
There we go. Rightio, so now I'll just go up to my shape layer and I'll just create a simple rectangle. Beautiful. And I shall make sure that I don't leave my rectangle 1 selected, because if my repeater ends up there, I shall be fairly disappointed. So I shall click on Contents, Add, and Repeater, and now my repeater is underneath
my rectangle. Ooh.
Okay, so I will give myself 10 copies there, enter, and they've all come out over here.
Yeah, whatever.
And I'll come into my position there and I'll just zero that nicely. And that's made everything nice. And now I'll just go into my rotation and divide 360 by the amount of rectangles that I have. Enter, and that's put them all over the place. So now I'll just scroll that up, and I'll go into my rectangle, and I'll just come in here, and if I was to bring that in like so, you'd see that's all over the place. So what I shall do is click on that, and I'll zero that, and there you go, pretty much. I'll just go keyframe there, keyframe there, and I will go out like that, and there you have it. A nicely behaving repeater. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and leave us
some nasty comment.
Thank you very much. See ya.